In darkness, keep your light on, for the shadows they move. I'll keep you safe from harm.
My name is Kirsten Grove, and I'm an interior stylist, designer, blogger, and author. My uncle was an avid art collector, and I was able to see some beautiful pieces from all around the world. And from there, it was an easy path to become a designer. When making a space feel unique, it's important to add those personal touches. Mix and match, yet staying minimal. That is the key to the magic. Art is so important in a space. I believe art plays a central role in every interior, and no space feels complete without it. The Frame TV is not a conventional TV, as it fits into any living space as artwork or a masterpiece. It allows you to introduce color, texture, and shapes into your home. The Frame is not only a great TV, but it can redefine your space.
Keep your light on, for the shadows they move.
The world's finest artworks, instantly available in stunning detail with QLED technology.